Hi everyone, it's Roslyn Hill here again. In the last video we just had a little glimpse of a new brooch that we was looking at. Instead of a bracelet, this is what we were working towards. We showed you here a leaf, which we did on the leaf bracelet. So we're going to have a look at doing another leaf here and then maybe some more. So we'll get started. Let's find my yarn. Okay, I'm going to go over here, make our slip knot, leaving an end for the bracelet, and off we go. So we're going to start with a chain, and we'll do that leaf bracelet that we've done before, a leaf motif. We'll call it a motif on our bracelet. So we're going to do the leaf motif first, working back along here. One. You can make leaves as big as you like, as long as you like. And you don't have to count them, you can have them all different sizes. So I've done a short one there to start with, like we've done before. Okay. And then we're going to do another slightly different leaf this time. Okay, we're going to work a slip stitch, and then we're going to do a small chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to come back to the motif leaf shape, and we're going to miss some here. I've done 4, so I'm going to miss 3. You could miss 2 if you like, but coming back into this chain here, slip stitch, and then continue along. There. I like this leaf shape because it's got a bit of a bend to it. Okay, so there's the original leaf shape there, and we've got a bit on there, so come all the way to here and then back up the stalk of the leaf, if you like. Let's do that again. See if we can get this right. Okay, very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a longer leaf, this one, so we'll do a few more. 1 slip stitch, 4, and then back to your chain here, hook it in, like that, and then slip stitch along here. There we go.